Hello. So today we're going to be solving this question, though it seems complex, but we're going to simplify it now. So join me as we solve. We have 3 raised to power x plus 5 is equal to 5 raised to power x plus 5. So this can also be written as, before I do that, let me give us the law of indices. As the law of indices that says a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Right? This here is this and this. Now I want to convert this into this. So we have 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 5 raised to power x multiplied by 5 raised to power 1. Okay? Or you can leave it this way, anyone. So we have converted this which is this, to this, which is this. Alright? So then, what we're trying to do is that we're looking for x. And for us to solve for x, we have to eliminate one of the x here. So that one x will remain. And let's do that here. We have, this is 5 raised to power 5, rather, please. So I have this divided by x, okay? And here, divided by 5x. So 5x will cancel 5x. What will be left is what? 5 raised to the power 5. Here, we can write this here. This is same as saying 3 raised to the power x over 5x multiplied by 3 raised to the power 5. It's still the same because this is multiplication and not addition. So you can do it this way. So we have been able to eliminate x here. And what we're doing is to do what? We're looking for x, the value of x. So what you simply do is to do what? Divide both sides by what? 3 raised to the power 5. So that this one will stay alone. And for us to do that, can just say 3 raised to the power 5 x multiplied by 3 raised to the power 5, then multiplied by the inverse of 3 raised to the power 5, which is 1 over 3 raised to the power 5, which is equal to 5 raised to the power 5 multiplied by what? 1 over 3 raised to the power 5. So have 3 raised to the power 5 cancelling 3 raised to the power 5. And what you have left is what? 3 raised to the power x over 5 raised to the power x. So we can use here. You can say 3 raised to the power x over 5 raised to the power x. And in fact, this can also be written this way. Okay? And is equal to 5 raised to the power 5 over 3 raised to the power 5, which can also be written this way. Okay? So it's just one of the laws of indices. So if you notice, we have 3 over 5 here and we have 5 over 3 here. And if we have 3 over 5 and 3 over 5, it becomes the same base. So therefore, we'll be able to solve for x. Like this, we can solve for x. But we can actually solve for x when we do something like this. When we make it the same base. And we make it the same base by introducing a minus sign here. If you do not understand how this came about, or you're not sure that when we introduce the minus sign that we have an inverse of this, I will show you. This negative sign here means 1 over, right? Then we have 3 over 5. 3 over 5. If we solve this, we'll get back this. So now, when we solve this like this, we must get this. So we don't want to introduce the power here yet, because we can actually add the power, but we don't need it for now. After solving, we can now introduce it. Let us neglect the powers now. So we have this is same as saying 1 divided by 3 over 5. And this is same as saying 1 times 5 over 3. And which is equal to what? 5 over 3. You can see we have gotten 5 over 3 back. So if you want to include the power, you can now say 3 to the power 5. Right? Good. So that means we are now agreed that this is the same thing as this. So this and this are the same. What we simply need to do what? To equate the powers. We have x is equal to minus 5. This is the answer. So the value of x here is minus 5. So this is our answer. Bye.